Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best maternity pillows that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. PharMeDoc Pregnancy Pillow. This is the ultimate pillow that you can ever have during pregnancy. It is manufactured using 100% cotton for the best comfort. It comes in various shapes like C-body pillow and replaces the multiple bed pillows. Typically, the pillow will support your hips, knees, joints, head, and neck. Additionally, it helps you sleep comfortably without any interruption and relieves the back pain. This is the best pillow when it comes to pregnancy. The manufacturer has offered a warranty against this product. Therefore, you should buy it with confidence. Consider buying this during your pregnancy and have an easy time. It can also be a perfect gift for a pregnant friend or wife. At number 4. PharMeDoc Pregnancy Pillow. The unique thing about this item is that you can find it in various colors and sizes. So, it is not difficult to choose the one that will suit your needs. This U-shaped body pillow will relieve all your back pains and offer you a comfortable sleep. Take the risk and taste the functioning of this product. The manufacturer has offered a warranty. Therefore, you can buy this item with confidence. The material used is durable and will last you long. On the other hand, this pillow has a detachable feature, which you can remove and use it as a full sleeping pillow. It is designed with 100% cotton for comfort. At number 3. AngQi Unique U-Shaped. The manufacturer has designed this product in various sizes and colors. Therefore, it is not hard to choose the one that will suit your needs. U-shaped design is for maintaining the shape of your body and comfort while sleeping. It will reduce your body pain from the back and support the hips, head, knees, and neck. You will achieve better sleep without any interruptions. On the other hand, this pillow will enable you to watch your television comfortably. Additionally, will offer you the breastfeeding position and nursing. The material used as soft pad has 100% cotton for your comfort. If you are not happy with this item, you can return it and get full money refund. Therefore, you should buy this item with great confidence. This is a must-have pillow for all pregnant women. At number 2. Meiz 55 inches U-shaped pregnancy. If you are still here and not yet sure on the best pillow, then we can recommend this item for you. It is available in various colors and sizes. You should consider the one that will suit your needs. Typically, it is designed in U-shape and has a detachable feature, which you can remove for full body support. It will offer you the best comfort while sleeping, reducing your back pain and supporting your hips. Thus, waking up while happy. The manufacturer has demonstrated confidence in his product by offering a full money refund. It is filled with 100% cotton. So, you are guaranteed for enough comfort and deep sleep throughout the night. On the other hand, it will offer you great reading and watching position. You can use it as a gift for a pregnant lady and show your concern and care. At number 1. Pregnancy Pillow. This pillow has been discussed as the best in this category. It will offer you full support from your toe to head. You are guaranteed of deep sleep at night without any interruptions. It has other benefits like providing seating positions for watching television, reading a book and relaxing. Typically, it will keep your head, neck, and hips aligned. The material used to manufacture is durable and long-lasting. You can remove the outer cover and wash it using your machine. If you are not happy with this item, you are guaranteed a full money refund. Therefore, you should not worry about this item. It is available in low price. You should consider this full support pillow. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.